square. Seriously? Is that not square? Need a mat. Why is this not squaring? Alright, well, I guess it's square enough. So, alright, square. So nice. Look at this. Days. 98 days. 98. Sorry, my cameraman slipped. On my face. Hey guys, what's up? Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Stop laughing. Come on.
I can't.
Hey guys, what's up? I got this new cameraman that's helping me out today. He can't be serious if his life's dependent. For real this time. For real. Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, we only got 98 days left. This is day 3, I think. Yes, day 3. Day 3. What I'm working on now is I am working on getting the rails squared up so that I can tack weld them, get them up. I know where this is going to be, so that's easy. And then when I get this one tack welded up, then I come over here. Then I'm going to do a couple in the back. I'm going to do one in the cross and one back here, and then at least I'll have it square, and then I'll have to figure out where the rest of them are going to go. But for now, that's what we're doing. Be back in a minute. Okay guys, let me show you what I got. I tacked these guys and checked them for square. They're as square as they're gonna get. Does some tie downs, holding them together so they don't get all weird and twisted. Right now, I have the frame about where I want it. I actually want to bring it up a little higher if I can in the front. The only problem is it's perfectly level right now, the way I want it, right? It's level here, it's level here, and it's mostly level there, right? So I've got, so I got this back here, and I'm ready to put some, I've got it all kind of put up where I want it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a cross member probably here. So I'm probably gonna put a cross member here. I'll be able to tie the front end of my 3-link into that. And then I'm gonna put another one probably about here, just behind this piece. I might just cut, I have to cut that piece out. Cut that piece out. I'll put one, probably put one like here, just in front of these gussets, or just behind these gussets. And then I have that one there that I might actually move a little bit further back, because this space here is where the tank is gonna sit. I'm gonna build a tank for it, a fuel tank for it, and I'm gonna put it underneath here, so that I don't have to, so I may not have to block off the inside between the front and back, because you're supposed to have a, either the tank has to be outside of the car, or you have to have a firewall between the tank and the driver. If I was to put it inside the car, right, if I was to mount the tank like back here, right, in the back, then I'd have to put a firewall right here. I don't know if I'd want to do that, because I'd have to find something that's clear for visibility. I don't know if Lexan will do, I don't know what kind of stuff they have. I'd have to do some research and see if anybody out there knows, let me know. But for now, the plan is to build a tank myself, because then the other way is if I put it underneath, I will be able to keep the original fill tube, right? And I'll be able to keep this guy, right? That's an ugly ass cap. I would put a different cap. I'd probably put a door, I'd probably cut this out and actually put a locking door on there, and make it look a lot better. But yeah, I think that's what my plan is. It might change. I have to look over some of the rules again, or need to get a hold of somebody who knows drag racing. I don't even know what class this car is going to run in. So anybody out there knows about drag racing, hit me up, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making it up. That being said, I'm pretty much out of time today. I know these videos are going to be short and sweet, a lot of them. Like I said, I'm going to sign off for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, share it, all that good type stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.